Hello, my name is Samata. I am B.Ed in Mathematics and Physical Science and MA Literature. I have 15 years of teaching experience in Andhra Pradesh state government. My district, Visakhapatnam, is a city in Andhra Pradesh. It is called as a port city and also industrial center of Andhra Pradesh on the Bay of Bengal. It is a major tourist destination place and it is very popular for its long coastline. It has so many nicknames. It is also called as the City of Destiny and also called as the Jewel of East Coast. It has Eastern Naval Command in Indian Navy, and the people in the city are very vibrant. There are a lot of artists, galleries, artists, and a lot of museums in the city. The Visakhapatnam city people are very simple and friendly. All in all, we can say Visakhapatnam is a tourist area. I teach all the subjects like environmental sciences, mathematics and languages from classes 1 to 5. My school is a Mandala Parishad Pradhamika Pathasala, Nelteru, Anandapuram Mandal of Visakhapatnam district, Andhra Pradesh. There are about 25 students enrolled in my school, and almost all the students are from the rural background and they are below the creamy line. The main motive of primary school is to nurture the students with the strong values and to ensure them experiential learning or hands-on experience. But then I noticed it is very difficult task for two teachers. We are only two teachers working in the school and we need to handle all the classes, that is multi-grade and multi-level and multi-subject teaching parallelly. So this made us to handle all the classes, and this made us difficult task to focus on each and every student. But I was in search of different ideas to make the students a holistic development of them and also make them the hands-on experience. So by then I realized the ZIIE training program. Then I attended ZIIE training program, Zero Investment Innovatives for Education Initiatives for the teachers, by the teachers, which helped me to come up with the zero investment, that is low cost and no cost, to bring out the quality education. It motivated me to bring up with the new ideas to bring the learning outcomes among the children. It has also helped me to train the students of inclusive education and like children with special needs and girl education. It also showed me different videos which helped me to realize that the importance of the community participation for the development of the school and also parents, involvement of the parents in the education of their child. In my training session, I was acknowledged with the experiential way of learning for the holistic development of the child. My trainer Navya has empowered us how to teach the techniques and the curriculum tools based on the National Education Policy. All the subjects have been planned with the Bloom's taxonomy, and also the learning process will be with the help of concept mapping like remembering, understanding, application, analysis, evaluation and also creativity. And the total lesson has been divided into teacher activity and also student activity. Teacher activity, teacher will explain the concept, and student activity, the concept will be revised by the students with the help of grid game and so many other games. So this helped me and given me a thought to create videos and plan, and I created videos and sending to the parents through WhatsApp for the students, as this is the pandemic time and the remote learning is there is no other way just to learn in a far off place, like remote learning. In this training, I heard the role model of one teacher who has taught the lesson angles in the classroom by using the authentic material like classroom door and windows, and that inspired me, and I started teaching my children by using the resources available surrounding in my classroom. By the implementation of ZIIE innovative techniques, ideas in my classroom, I am confident that I can bring the holistic development of my children, and it's also helped me for my continuous development, professional development, and with the collaboration of ZIIE, student, parent, teacher, and the community all together, we will make our school as a role model in the district and the nation as well. Thank you.